In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Google Sheets. We'll set up a clean, reliable invoice you can reuse, focusing on a simple drop-down for your items, the right currency formatting, and automatic totals that update themselves as you work. Start by looking at your sheet layout. For this walkthrough, we'll assume you've got columns for description, quantity in column C, unit price in column D, and line total in column E. That matches the formulas we'll use. If your sheet looks different, you can adjust the columns to match or adapt the formulas accordingly. Let's make the description column faster and more consistent with a drop-down. Highlight the entire description column, then go to Data, choose Data Validation, and select Drop-down. Add the products or services you commonly charge for, one per option. Keep the names concise and consistent so your invoices look professional and are easy to filter or summarize later. Once you click Done, each cell in that column will show a picker, helping you avoid typos and making your invoices uniform. Next, format your currency so amounts look correct at a glance. Highlight both the unit price column and the line total column, then click the P currency icon on the toolbar. This applies Philippine peso formatting throughout those columns. If needed, you can adjust decimal places, and you can also change the format later under Format Number Currency. Proper currency formatting doesn't just look better, it helps avoid confusion and keeps your data consistent for calculations. Now let's automate the math. In the line total column, click in E2 and enter the formula add C2 D2. This multiplies the quantity by the unit price to calculate the line total for that row. If you see an error or unexpected result, double check that quantity and unit price are numbers, not text. Once it looks good, copy that formula down the E column as far as you need. As you add more lines to your invoice, each one will compute its total automatically. Finally, create the grand total so you always see the final amount due. In a blank cell at the bottom of your sheet, below your last line total, type SUM E2E. This adds up every line total in column E, and because it references the entire column, it will keep updating as you add or remove invoice lines. You can place a total label to the left for clarity. That's it. With a drop-down for descriptions, proper currency formatting, and automatic line and grand totals, your Google Sheets invoice is fast, accurate, and ready to use.